Chinese population, okay? Right, so these are all continuous data, continuous data. The length of table, yeah, the length of table, whereby your number can go up to decimal, 35.5 cm. Okay, so you see this is continuous. You can go up to 35.9, 35.95, okay? So these are all continuous data. Now, for bar graph, it's for discrete. You see, the bars are not joined. They're all separated. One prime example would be blood group. How many types of blood group do we have? 4 types, yeah? A, B, AB, and O. Very good. So, which one is a universal donor? O. Okay, good. Right, that aside, okay, let's come back to maths. Now, discrete, other than blood group, we also can put types of fruit. Music genre. Movie genre. No, not genre, no, it's genre. Yeah? And also, we can write flavor, ice cream flavor. So all these are discrete, meaning to say that they don't join. Okay, they don't join. Now, line graph, Ong Ting Hao. Tell me when is line graph used?
Economic data.
Economic data. Okay, good. So we use this to present a company's revenue. Company's revenue. Or we can use to measure the temperature change in Beijing or KL, right? Temperature change, temperature change. So it fluctuates over time. You see the graph, up, down, like a heartbeat.
Stop.
And we also use to measure rainfall, especially in tropical country like us here. It's very important for us to know when to plant the right thing. Yeah. So we use this to present rainfall. But most importantly, it's meant for this. Tang, 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 tang. Okay. So line graph is for discrete or continuous? Continuous. Okay. Write down continuous. Now you know the difference between discrete and continuous. Okay, so let's go back to the data up here. Wasabi. Okay, wasabi served in the berry wonderland. Alright, so which of the following data represents continuous data? Height of student. Other than height, we can also use mass or age group. Okay, so this is the answer. BCD, these are all discrete data. We cannot measure with number, they don't have decimal value. Okay, you cannot tell somebody that I have 1.2 children at home. Cannot. Alright, number is whole number. Okay? So yes, so you cannot put decimal, yeah? Alright. 还没有生过程中 Alright guys, which of the following is an obtuse angle? We need to prove all of them actually. Guys, do you remember what theorem is this? So what does Pythagoras theorem present?
A squared plus B squared equals
where's the C? Where's the C?
The longest one.
Okay. So you write down 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to 5 squared. And then here will be the 90 degree. We call this a right angle triangle. Okay. Bracket B. Is this a Pythagoras theorem? You take the longest one minus the other one, see whether you get the shorter one. Do it now. 13 squared minus 12 squared. See whether you get 5 or not. 13 squared minus 5 squared. Yeah? Dapat tak? If it's a decimal, then it's not. Dapat Okay, dapat, then we write properly. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals to 13 squared. So this is also a right angle triangle. Where should I put the square? Where? Here? Here? Or here?
Here, between these two.
Adjacent of 12 and 5. Like that. Okay? The longest is always the opposite of the square box.
This question, right, I also saw it on
Exam paper. Oh, really? Okay. Right. This one is decimal. Is this true or false? Definitely this is not a right angle already. Okay? Right angle cannot form decimal. So the reason how we prove this is we pick the longest one. The longest one is 10.5. 10.5 square. Yeah? And then you plus these two, yeah? You plus these two.
No.
5.6 and 9 square. And you tell me the relationship, whether it's a greater than or smaller than. Huh? You press your calculator this part first, then only you compare. 现在你这个小 calculator 讲没有带，哎呀，没有带啊。
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay. Smaller than this is the cube. Smaller than we call this a cube, angle, triangle. Okay, next. How do we check this? We put 6.6 here. Then we put the other shorter one, the two shorter ones there. 5.5 plus 3.3. Okay, you tell me the relationship, bigger or smaller? 你作业 bigger or smaller? Bigger, bigger. Bigger, we call this obtuse. Okay, very good. So what's the answer?
D.
Macam tu. Okay, now here's the answer. Okay, no issue. Next. What's the issue? No issue, What skill are you talking about? What skill? Okay. As for smallest, now for largest. Okay. Leo, tell me which one is the smallest. Smallest must have that negative,
Negative 5.
Okay, so we put S here. Agree? Alright. Largest is this one. So normally when it's fraction, right? I know SMBS teacher like to do this thing. Convert the fraction to decimal. Alright? So when you convert, you will see this is 8.5. And this will be negative 4.8. Haha, that's easier for you to see. 8.5 definitely bigger than 8.2. Okay? This one we've done, right?
Yeah.
The first one is distributive, second one is associative. Okay, next page. Okay, now, very simple. We need to find angle of depression of P. Calculate AQB. AQB. Okay, we need to know this angle. Alright? In order to know this angle, we have a few clues there. Angle of elevation of Q from A. Let me use red color. Elevation means go upwards. Elevation of Q. Brandon. What's her name again? Sorry. Brian. Okay, Brian.